200L liquid filling machine, professional, automated, and efficient. Typical applications. Applicable to chemical, food, and pharmaceutical industries, 200L packaging barrels of non-foaming liquid quantitative filling. 2. System overview. GZM 200L explosion-proof liquid-on-top liquid quantitative filling scale adopts the method of filling on the liquid surface, which is suitable for filling a variety of non-foaming liquid materials. The uniquely designed filling head device is easy to operate, and the filling is fast and accurate, and it maximizes the guarantee of residual liquid dripping when the filling is completed. During operation, the operator only needs to simply align the barrel mouth directly below the filling head and press the Start button on the handle. The filling head will automatically insert into the barrel and automatically peel the empty barrel. Then open the filling valve and accurately fill at 2 speeds. After filling, the filling head is automatically lifted to the outside of the barrel, and the drip tray is automatically connected to the bottom of the spray gun. The barrel is manually pushed out of the scale and the cap is screwed on. 3. System features and functions. The whole system is manufactured according to explosion-proof standards, with an explosion-proof grade of EXDII-BT4. The control system is manufactured with high-end electrical accessories such as Japan Mitsubishi PLC programmable controller, with reliable performance. The filling gun is a proprietary design of our company, which can be quickly disassembled and assembled by hand and is easy to maintain. The sealing and soft connection parts are made of Teflon, which is resistant to solvents, acids, and alkalis, and has a long service life. The system adopts a 2-stage large and small material adjustable filling method, which improves accuracy and production capacity. It is equipped with an automatic top barrel protection function, which is used to automatically lift the gun when the filling gun is not inserted into the barrel and does not perform filling. The unique anti-drip device prevents materials from dripping on the barrel and the scale, affecting the packaging and the drum. There are 2 filling mode options, net weight and gross weight, to meet the different filling needs of users. The target amount can be freely set to adapt to quantitative filling in a variety of weight ranges. The double-window display special filling control instrument can display information such as target amount, filling amount, number of barrels, and cumulative amount. The height of the filling head can be adjusted manually, suitable for packaging barrels of different heights. It has the function of automatically judging the tare weight range of empty barrels and the function of not filling if there is no barrel. It has the function of automatically detecting the filling target quantity exceeding the tolerance and can freely start the automatic correction function of the drop. The controller is equipped with manual buttons for all actions and an emergency stop button for use in special circumstances. The controller can store 30 sets of filling value parameters, which can be called up when used. It has self-fault diagnosis, interface testing, digital adjustment, anti-vibration setting, and upper computer communication functions. 1-button operation, start filling nozzle drops automatic tare filling finish gun lifting leakage connection. Basic parameters. Maximum weighing capacity, 300 kilograms. Minimum sensitivity, 0.1 kilograms. Filling error, less than plus or minus 0.1%. Filling speed, about 40 to 60 barrels per hour, depending on the feed flow rate. Explosion-proof level, EXDII-BT4. Control mode, 2-speed.